Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little extra cash before payday, and wondered if apps like Dave could be your knight in shining armor? Specifically, a question that pops up often is, do you need a traditional bank account to use Dave? It's a valid question, especially in an increasingly digital world where traditional banking isn't always the only option. Maybe you're looking to simplify your financial life, or perhaps you're someone who's moved away from brick-and-mortar banks altogether. So, let's cut to the chase and explore the ins and outs of using Dave and its relationship with your bank. When we talk about Dave, we're primarily talking about a financial technology company that offers various services, most notably its Extra Cash advance feature, along with a checking account option. It's crucial to understand that Dave itself is not a bank. Instead, its banking services are provided through partner banks like Evolve Bank and Trust, which are FDIC insured. This distinction is important because it shapes how you interact with the app. Now, to the core question, do you need a bank account? The short answer is yes. In most cases, you will need to either link an existing external bank account or open a Dave checking account to fully utilize Dave's features, especially if you're looking for cash advances. Let's break it down. If your primary goal is to get a cash advance through Dave's Extra Cash feature, linking an existing bank account is a key requirement. Dave uses your linked bank account's history, things like your income, spending patterns, and recurring deposits, to determine your eligibility and the amount of extra cash you qualify for. They need this information to assess your financial health and predict when you'll be able to repay the advance. For instance, to qualify for higher advances, Dave often looks for at least 3 recurring direct deposits and total monthly deposits of $1,000 or more in your linked account. Your external bank account also typically needs to have been active for at least 60 days and have a positive balance. This linked account is where the funds will be transferred if you opt for standard delivery, or if you choose instant delivery with an express fee, it can also go to your external debit card. However, Dave also offers its own Dave checking account, often referred to as the Dave spending account. This is a digital checking account that comes with a Dave debit MasterCard. If you choose to open a Dave checking account, you can certainly use it as your primary account within the Dave ecosystem. In fact, if you get an extra cash advance, transferring the funds to your Dave checking account can sometimes be cheaper or even free for smaller amounts compared to instant transfers to an external bank account. Plus, having a Dave checking account allows you to get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit, manage your money, and access fee-free ATMs at over 40,000 MoneyPass locations. So, while you might not necessarily need a traditional bank account from a large, legacy institution if you opt for the Dave checking account, you do need a recognized banking mechanism to operate within the Dave app. Whether it's your established external checking account or the Dave checking account itself, a formal banking relationship is fundamental to how Dave functions and provides its services. It's all about financial responsibility and transparency. Dave needs a way to verify your income, track your spending, and, most importantly, facilitate the repayment of any advances. This is why a linked bank account, whether external or a Dave checking account, is an essential part of the process. Ultimately, Dave aims to provide a convenient and fee-friendly alternative for managing your money and getting short-term financial help. But to do that, it relies on having a clear picture of your financial inflows and outflows, which necessitates a connection to a legitimate bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.